Banking apps and digital wallets, thanks to regulation and competition, are gradually becoming more and more consistent from a user experience. And consumers are feeling that they are getting more comfortable with using account-to-account solutions. And merchants, realizing this, have identified key use cases, for example, direct debits, where they really see the value that open banking can bring from a security perspective to enhance what is an existing payment method, but actually bring it into 2025 and the future. In Europe, we see this play out in key sectors like wealth, where it's not the alternative way to pay, but it's rather the cheaper, safer, and simpler way to pay. Open banking presents a real strategic opportunity for businesses. Firstly, through huge cost efficiency gains through using an account-to-account rail as opposed to the card networks, there is a substantial transactional saving to be had. Secondly, it's instant confirmation, it's instant settlement, which for a merchant means that it's improved cash flow. You have better agility over your working capital, and it allows you to spend more time focusing on the things that you care about as a merchant as opposed to waiting for money to arrive. Lastly, but probably most importantly, it dramatically reduces fraud levels within the business. For example, in the case of the direct debits, as a merchant, you can be assured that the consumer signing up to your services is exactly who they say they are because they've authenticated via their own banking apps. The sectors that I think will drive the tipping point for open banking adoption, for me, comes from three areas: e-commerce, travel, and financial services. If we start with the e-commerce example, merchants are under constant pressure to reduce costs whilst also improving checkout conversion. And open banking delivers both of these things through reduced costs and a frictionless payment experience at checkout. Then you have financial services, particularly lending, wealth, and insurance. Here, open banking not only streamlines the payment side of things, but it allows to collect a bunch of really important customer data that informs better onboarding experiences and better credit decisions. And finally, travel. It's a high-ticket, high-value industry. So the focus on reducing chargebacks and improving customer experience for a faster checkout is crucial. Across all of these things, it's not just about cost. It's about control. It's about speed. And open banking delivers all of that.